Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights. Once you have them, open Services, MSC, and find Windows Search. Start it immediately if stopped and change Startup to Automatic, Delayed Start. This ensures Windows launches the service after boot and avoids race conditions. If Start is grayed out, right-click and choose Properties, then check Dependencies listed on the Dependencies tab. Make sure dependent services like Remote Procedure Call are running. Once done, move on to repairing index files to restore full search functionality. Now you'll repair broken index and system files. First, stop the Windows Search service, then rename the search data /applications/Windows folder to force a fresh index rebuild. This clears corrupt index files. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to fix system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. Once those finish, restart the service and open indexing options to rebuild the index. This can take time depending on file volume, so be patient and watch progress. Finish by verifying behavior. Restart the PC, confirm Windows Search stays running, and test search results. If issues persist, open Event Viewer and inspect application and system logs for search-related errors. Note error codes to guide fixes. Make sure Windows Update is current and install any optional quality updates affecting search. If nothing helps, try creating a new local user to see if the profile is corrupt, and run the built-in search and indexing troubleshooter. One key tip: boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.